Hello everybody and welcome to the Mumbai Piles Clinic. Today we are with Dr. Sambit Patnaik, who is a colorectal surgeon and who is going to talk with us about the laser treatment of fistula. Hello and welcome Dr. Patnaik.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for giving us the time and opportunity to know about this.
Pleasure.
What is a fistula?
See, fistula is nothing but a double-ended tunnel of infection. One end of the tunnel is within the Mosin passage, within the anal canal, and the other is outside. So a fistula is nothing but a double-ended tunnel. A fistula in ano is a double-ended tunnel from within the anal opening to outside and is full of infected and pus kind of material.
Okay. So how do we know we actually have a fistula?
See, basically what happens, patients of fistula experience one small boil come up in the perianal region, the region surrounding the opening of the anus. So this little boil would, sometimes be extremely painful, large, or it could be small little boil which would rupture. Then, sometimes people are not aware that there is a small little boil that has ruptured. Yes, but there is some kind of irritation, itching, discharge that comes out of that boil, and it just refuses to go away. Most of the people would feel that it's just like any normal boil and would just wait it out or take some kind of self medication, and ultimately, there is itching and there is pus and there is swelling, and then you come to know that it is a fistula.
What are the common causes of fistula?
See, it is really very difficult to pinpoint a cause. Uh, Diabetics are very prone to have any infection. People who are immunocompromised, have low immune status, are known to have infection. So in them we can pinpoint, these are the causes. But otherwise, the anal passage is lined with glands. One of these glands is blocked, blocked with maybe a little bit of fecal matter, or there is a small little opening like a small old fissure that would serve as a mouth, and pus starts accumulating at these sites, and then the pus would not be able to come out because the anal passage is shut tight. So it tracks underneath the skin through the muscles and different planes and tries to come out as a boil. Okay, so this tracking from within to outside leads to a fistula. So it is a small little infection somewhere inside, or a neglected old fissure, or some secondary problems like diabetes and immunocompromised states that are common causes of fistula.
What do I do if I have fistula?
See, you need to go and see a doctor. If you have a boil and which refuses to go away, there is itching, there is pus, there is swelling, and there is soiling of undergarments, go see a doctor. The doctor will examine you and he will tell you that you have a fistula. Do not neglect.
Okay. So how do I get treated for a fistula?
See, when you come and visit Mumbai Piles Clinic, I usually thoroughly examine the patient, and then we get a rough clinical idea that there is a fistula. It could be a simple fistula, a small simple tunnel, or it could be a complex fistula, it could be a high fistula, or it could be a low fistula. There are different kinds of fistula, technically different, technically difficult to treat. So after examination, we usually explain the patient the need of an MRI or a fistulogram or different kinds of radiological examinations to establish the path taken by the fistula, and usually an MRI is able to tell us in detail about the orientation of the tract within the perianal region and otherwise, and then armed with an exact diagnosis, we go for the treatment. Now with the availability of lasers, this entire tunnel can literally be destroyed and stuck together and glued by the use of laser. Okay, done rightly with the correct balance of wattage, delivery of energy in joules for a particular period of time, following a good surgical protocol, the entire tract of the fistula can be ablated. It can literally be, it can vanish. Okay, so now lasers have made it very easy because the control mechanism through which the fistula passes, if you do an open surgery, there is usually loss of control, there is a large wound, takes months to heal, and there could be recurrence. So the kind of minimal invasive laser techniques, you do not need to go through a painful open surgery with the risk of loss of control, which is again very very debilitating. So lasers, and the technical term for it is FILAC, the fistula tract ablation closure by laser. Is FILAC is a very very common procedure today, and quickly treats your fistula. Very very little downtime. There is hardly any cut. There is quick cure. There is hardly any need of dressing, and you are back to normal. This is again a daycare procedure. Walk in, walk out. It takes a few minutes to perform, and yes, gives good results. And we have had fairly good amount of success treating fistula with FILAC.
Thank you so much, Dr. Patnaik. And I hope everybody got a good knowledge about fistula and how it can be easily treated. So kindly visit Mumbai Piles Clinic, take an appointment with Dr. Patnaik and get yourself treated. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Dr. Patnaik.
Thank you.